Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we go over how to reference a table in an Excel formula. Note that there are simpler alternatives to what we are doing in this demo. However, using a table makes the formula more descriptive. This, in turn, makes it easier to understand. Let's get started. We'll use the sum function in this demo, but any function that requires a range, such as VLOOKUP, will do. For the sum function, click on an empty cell and type in the sum formula. We want to find the sum of all the ages in our table. To reference a table in a formula, we need to give the formula the table name. Then we put the column name in between the square brackets. Our table name in this demo is Table 1. We are looking for the age column. Therefore, our new formula then looks like equals sum, open parentheses, table 1, open square brackets, age, close square brackets, close parentheses. When we finish the formula, we should see that F2 to the last row is highlighted in our table. Now we can hit enter on the keyboard. If needed, we can copy this formula to a new sheet. It should return the same number. And when we add another row to the table, it will automatically update. We can now modify the formula to find the average age. We can do that by getting the number of rows in the table. To do that, we can use the rows formula and the table name. Our new formula looks like equals sum, open parentheses, table 1, open square brackets, age, close square brackets, / rows, open parentheses, table 1, close parentheses, close parentheses. Alternatively, we could use the average function. However, the point here is that we can make references to other parts or information of the table in the same formula. Let's multiply the total of the zip column with the total of the age column. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.